A bunch of cells talking to a bunch of cells about a bunch of cells. And this is Cytology. Welcome to S2. Cytology is the study of cells which are considered as the fundamental units of life. Robert Hooke is considered as the father of cytology. He observed the first cell for the first time in the history of the human race. He saw the small compartments and he named it as cells because it resembled like small rooms. And the first living cell was observed by Anton von Leeuwenhoek, who is also considered as the father of microbiology. Another major addition to the knowledge of cell was given by Matthias Schleiden and Theodor Schwann in 1838, and it is known as the cell theory. This theory has three postulates, which states that the cell is basic unit of life. Also, a cell has a dual entity because it can be an independent or it can arrange into an organism like you and me. Also, the third postulate states that a cell can spontaneously generate. That means a cell can come from nowhere. As you might have imagined, the third postulate is not right, and it was corrected by Rudolf Virchow, and he added a statement, omnicellula e cellula. This actually means a cell comes from a pre-existing cell. And now several modifications are added to the cell theory, and it is known as the modern cell theory. The modern cell theory has 6 postulates. 1. All living organisms are made of cells. 2. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. 3. All cells come from a pre-existing cell. 4. Cells contains the genetic information which is to be transferred to the next generation. 5. All cells have a similar chemical composition. And 6. All the energy flow of life occurs within the cell. And now we know we are made of these tiny compartments called cells. Microscope played a great role in unveiling the mystery about these cells. Another important thing was the discovery of cell culture. Snapshot time. Today we discussed about the term cytology and the history of cell biology and why Robert Hooke is considered as the father of cytology. Also, we have discussed about the postulates of cell theory by Schleiden and Schwann and how it was modified by Rudolf Virchow. Now we know the history and it's time to unveil the mysteries of cell structure. Do you know which is the largest cell in this entire planet? And that's the topic for your next video. See you in the next one.